Hey man, can you fix my lawnmower? Hey man, my lawnmower deck's cracked. Can you fix it? Hey man, will you fix my lawnmower for like 20 bucks? Hey man, my lawnmower deck's got a hole in it. Can you fix it? Those are the phrases that I absolutely hate seeing, but continue to deal with because there's a little bit of money in it. Hey everybody, it's Zach the Welder here coming at you for another weekly video. Now this week I am super excited to talk to you guys about doing small jobs that lead to big jobs, because I just did a little piddly job for a guy and it turned into now I am being asked to bid on a figure project. So pretty excited about that and I want to talk to you guys about it. All right, so when you start out working for yourself here, you will basically take any job. There for a long time I would bid on or do just about anything out there if there was money in it. Then I got more and more selective, but over the years I have been doing this, which is about 8 years now, I have never turned down the quick little mower deck, engine head, little piddly stuff like that jobs. And here is why. So there's been about 3 or 4 times where somebody has brought just some piddly little part out, be it a mower deck or this last one I think was like an engine cylinder head, where, you know, I did some like $20 or $30 job for them and it turned into a bigger job. So typically I will charge a minimum of $40, $45 for any kind of work like that. So if you figure somebody brings out their lawnmower deck and it takes you 10, 15 minutes to weld up a cracked bracket on it, you charge them 40 bucks, you figure you got about 5 or 10 minutes in talking with them on the phone and just, you know, BSing with them when they come out. You know, you figure you're probably making 80 bucks an hour or something like that dealing with them. So not great money, but you know, hey, it pays the bills and, you know, usually they'll give you cash so you can hit the taco truck and, you know, get yourself some lunch. The real reason I do jobs like that is to get myself in front of somebody that might work at one of the local factories around here that might have some influence on where I could get in and actually do some work that makes some real money. So this has happened about 3 times over the course of being in business here, where I've done a little piddly job like that for somebody and it turned into a much, much bigger job or a long-term relationship with a bigger company that offered some real money-making potential. So right now I'm waiting on a call back on a very large project that started out as me just kind of doing a little $20 repair for somebody. They came out to the shop here. They saw what I got in the shop here. I talked to him for a few minutes, talked to him about the type of work I do. Didn't think anything of it. Got a call today where it's like they're interested in having me do a large project. So what I'm trying to say here is don't ignore the little fish, because you can use them to work your way up the food chain. And also, 20 bucks is 20 bucks.